And today we're going to be learning the different directions. For example, north, east, west, and south. And then next we're going to be learning the different seasons. So let's begin with the directions. ختیځ, east. لوېدیځ, west. شمال, north. سوېل, south. So now we're gonna learn the seasons. پسرلی, spring. دوبی, summer. منی, fall. ژمی, winter. So now I'm gonna repeat again. ختیځ, east. لوېدیځ, west. شمال, north. سوېل, south. پسرلی, spring. دوبی, summer. منی, fall. ژمی, winter. So make sure you guys practice these a lot, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!